Hello, welcome to a little energy activation to both prepare us for the day, or you could use it before sleep for the cleansing, balancing, and calming effects if you wish. So this comes on the back of a lot of other practices and training, so you tune in as best you can. Palms facing each other, and vital breathing, tuning into the vital energy, electromagnetism between the hands, and saturating this through the body. And out into the field around you. And pour breathing this energy. And we want to keep this simple, breathing this energy in through the whole body, from the whole field around you all at once. And what we're going to do now is breathe in that energy and pressurize it into the bones of the whole body at the same time, pressurizing that energy in, squeezing it in. And as we exhale, opening up that space, washing away, allowing that energy to wash away. And inhaling, squeezing that energy in, compressing it, and releasing it out. And the specifics of the in and out, inhalation and exhalation are irrelevant. So you can let that come and go as you please. If you find it helpful, use it. If not, discard it. The real brunt of this is to take that energy from the field around you and bring it in through the pores, through the tissue, the flesh, the blood, into the bones. Compress it, charging up the bones, activating that vital energy, and releasing into a big open field around you, connecting to the forest if you're in a forest, allowing the vast nature around you, if you happen to be out in nature, to help metabolize that energy. And from these vast stores of energy in the nature around us, bringing that energy in and compressing it. Charging up the bones, feel the electromagnetism building, charging, and washing away. We continue this cycle. If you're working this exercise in the morning when you wake up, we increase the energy, building it, activating it, And when we wash away or harmonize it, we tune that increase of energy into the day ahead. So we offer a very soft perspective and shaping of the energy with the mind so that it can carry through in a balanced, harmonized way into the day ahead of us. That would be charging the body with energy deep through into the bones. And as we allow it to wash away, we allow it to work through these pathways that we'll be using throughout the day. Knowing that we want to have energy and be expressing that energy through the duration of the day. So of course we want to be in some ways calm, but if it's to be used through the day, we want access to this energy, and we want to be charged and prepared with the through flow of energy. The whole body breathes, charging and dissipating. When the energy washes away, we allow it to take any buildup of stagnation with it, any points of tension, points of stagnation. We want to purify those through the movement of the energy. Compressing, charging the body and the immediate field around you with energy. And as you allow it to wash away, this energy harmonizes, balances, rejuvenates, and invigorates, finding this balance between charging up, activating, invigorating the body, the mind, and washing away, harmonizing, balancing, purifying, tuning into this balance of activation and release. Activating and cleansing the mind. Activating and cleansing the body in all of its intricacies. activating and cleansing the energy itself. Can feel into any emotional stagnation. You just take a moment to tune in to the nature of water. Become a little bit more still. And continue activating positive emotional energy through the astral fluid and allowing it to wash away, harmonizing, balancing, rejuvenating. And if this is at the end of your day, if you're doing this closer to bed, you feel into that energy. And as we wash away the tensions of the day, you allow yourself to slip a little deeper into the stillness and the peace that you want to find during sleep. And closing up, thank you. Hope you enjoyed this. Just a little exercise to play with to help balance, cleanse, rejuvenate, to activate energy, and of course to wash away any impurities and any lack of harmony, to allow that to dissolve, balance, and settle out. Just the same way that water will always settle in a location that it's in, it will always find equilibrium and balance. We want to do the same. All right, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for your time. Bye.